come back and finish off the distinguishing test between formic acid, acetic acid, phenol and benzoic acid. The test which I'm going to use is neutral FeCl3. So acids we very well know will not respond to neutral FeCl3 test. So phenol as well as benzoic acid both will respond. So let us write the reaction. So I'm going to take phenol. Here you're going to take 3 moles of phenol, remember. So here you're going to take neutral FeCl3. So what do you get? You're going to get, just observe carefully, let me erase this line. Yeah, done. So first important thing, these 3 hydrogens will come out with Cl as 3HCl and you're left with phenoxide ion. So that phenoxide ion, then this is phenoxide ion, how many? 3, and this forms a complex with this. So what is this called? This is ferric phenoxide. Right. So now the color of this precipitate is violet in color. That is what we have written, violet PPT. Now when I have to take benzoic acid, just observe carefully, the reaction is the same. Here also you're going to take 3 moles. Here you're going to add neutral FeCl3 to this. Please write neutral FeCl3. I don't have place, so I'm not writing that. Now the same compound product is the same, but here instead of phenoxide, here you're going to get benzoate. Remember that this is COOFe, COO, and it's going to form a complex Fe and 3HCl because you have picked up 3 moles here, 3HCl. What is this called? This is called ferric benzoate. Ferric benzoate. The color of this is a brown PPT. Brown PPT. That's it.